Koi. Derived from goldfish. According to DNA, there are several facts that state that the ancestors of koi fish were goldfish that came from East Asia. In addition, this DNA study also found that there was a process of domestication, animal taming, and breeding activities in animal husbandry or other animal rearing aimed at improving the quality of the individuals and the population of the animal in question to form the characteristics desired by humans. Goldfish on a larger scale. Large to get the more brightly colored varieties of fish, which are then known today as koi carp. Until the time after the occurrence of these two processes, koi fish were often used as gifts to kings, or to those who had position and power in the political and economic spheres. Have a long life. Koi is a type of ornamental fish that is often said to have eternal life, so that it can become our lifelong friend. Even though this sounds exaggerated, it is a fact, because koi fish is a type of ornamental fish that has a long life of more than 50 years. In fact, in Japan there are koi fish that can live up to 200 years old. However, of course, for koi to live more than 50 years, they need to receive proper nutrition. Clean pool water with an optimal pH range of 7.5 to 8.0, and always ensure that the number of fish in a pond is not full, and tightness, so that later causes the fish stress. Tame and friendly animals. Koi are also included in the type of tame pet fish. This has been proven. If there is a newcomer koi in a pond, the old pond guards will not bother him or make wild movements. He will remain calm and friendly. In addition, the male koi are also not rude and disturb the female koi. So tame, this fish also does not hesitate to take food directly from the scope of your palm. This also affects how to care for koi fish, which becomes easier and makes these fish closer to us. In this world, there are more than 100 different varieties of koi fish in each type. This is even still growing today, allowing these fish to have more varieties. However, among the hundreds of varieties of this fish, there is one of the most popular types, namely the Saragua koi, or commonly known as ghost koi. This fish has beautiful metallic colored scales and has been bred since the 1980s. The size and shape of all types of koi are basically the same. It's just that the color, pattern, and arrangement of the scale of the size of the fish pattern is almost unlimited. As we know, koi is often symbolized as the bearer of harmony, courage, individuality, success, wealth, happy relationships, and strength. However, did you know that this was actually based on a legend originating from China? The legend tells of a koi fish that was given the task of swimming in the Huang-Ho River from the estuary to the headwaters. But before reaching the upstream, they will be faced with obstacles that hinder them. As mentioned earlier in the legend, the koi fish is a fish that is able to swim extraordinary and strong. However, these fish may not flaunt these skills in your tranquil pond. But koi fish that have escaped or been released into the wild are tracked to have traveled more than 100 miles upstream in just a few months to lay their eggs and reach a better place to eat. This ability is even on par with the ability of Atlantic salmon. Koi fish have very sensitive skin, especially those with light or white scales. Their scales are very susceptible to sunburn. In some mild cases, the sign of burning koi fish scales is the appearance of a light pink hue that resembles a rash all over the koi fish's body, or in certain spots. Koi fish are also often referred to as king of ornamental fish, especially in fresh water. This is because among other types of freshwater ornamental fish, koi has the largest body and is included in the ranks of prestigious ornamental fish. Koi fish are also creatures that are quite intellectual and have a high curiosity. Because of this, koi can recognize their owners